just ran my Traxxas XMaxx with my son, and I'm just going to show you guys a quick cleaning video. Usually just try to shake out everything in it. And then I got my air compressor, small one. I'm gonna get go ahead and just blow it out real quick. And I have a small tank, to get a bigger one. So what I do is I'll probably hit it maybe twice, and then put a little bit of solvent on it, and then come back again and hit it again. Then I go ahead, hit it one more time. Alright, so after I spray it off, put a little clean solution on it. Alright, so I basically spray it off. And I get most of the dirt out of it. Then I go ahead and actually use a little bit of a silicone on it, just to treat the plastics a little bit. This is my process.